What is up, Go Fam? You already know I'm out here on the stomp haywire right now. You see this pup. I literally just put the street tire on. If you didn't see the vid I did with Bloom, put it together a little bit, first ride on it, go watch that if you haven't already. And some stuff I said in that video, like about the delay and the throttle, all that is fixed now. I just gotta get used to the bike still. Only put 100 miles on this pup so far. I'm about to just go bip the city like an OG video. GoPro POV, just put the street tire on it literally yesterday, so the tire's still brand new. Still getting used to the tire, still getting used to the bike. I'm still worming on this pup. Still getting busy, but I feel like a worm. I just rode up the steps, make sure I ain't have it flat. This pup looks so good though. Do look like a Stark a little bit. That's what people be saying. Oh, off-brand Stark. For real, basically look like a Stark, ride like an Ultra B. Basically. Got a little more power, a little more speed than the Ultra B. That's basically what this bike is. It ain't really compared to the Stark. I go hit the city. Let's go now. Let's hope I don't be worming. And they fixed another thing. I sit on the bike, turn it on, press the brake. All you gotta do is just hold that for a second now. At first it was like 5 seconds. Now you just press it and it's already. Oh, we gotta hit the steps before we be out. Gotta do the wheelie joint though. I gotta wheelie to the step and then hit them joints. Hopefully no one coming up them. I got the third person POV doing this joint. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't recorded a YouTube video like this in a minute. Me and my guy Bloom been working though. We gonna be dropping a lot. Gonna be doing a lot of ish with Bloom, him recording, editing my videos. I'm about to really get back on YouTube. I know I always say this, but this time I'm really coming back. I can't lie, it's my first time doing no throttle hand on this show, no lie. Yo, I start recording, I start acting up. Yo, I felt like a kid learning new tricks again. Damn. Ain't nowhere to lock your foot on this joint. I want to get a foot brake and something to lock my foot. Foot brake for sure though, I'm trying no hands. TRX? One day. One thing I would say though, when you wheelie it, I feel like it just wanna be out. It just wanna go fast as ever. So gotta get used to it a little bit. And if you know me, you know I hate street tires, but the stock tire, it was weird on this joint, and then I didn't want to get a dirt tire, then me trying to do burnouts, always have to get new tires. I'm like, flip that, I'm gonna just go get a street tire. Fully release Epstein files. Excuse me, what's Epstein files? Damn. Oh, that is wet right there. That thing's slippery. No diddy. Oh! 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 This block be too windy. Drop before I even hit that wind. Oh shit. I just did some dumb ass. Cut that joint off. Oh my God, this wind out here. Going down Broad Street, so it's gonna be extra windy. I ain't no foot down bull, but it's just leaning right now. I gotta get used to it. I didn't even say Happy New Year to everyone and all that too. Happy New Year 2026. New year, new me. Said no, I don't want to hear all that bullshit, but Happy New Year. Hope everyone has a great year. Better year than last year. Thank God we still here. Amen. That's it. Thank God. Gotta go to Columbus Boulevard, see the top speed on this joint. If it were Bloom, I didn't do a top speed, but I said my top speed was 60 that I did. It's the fastest I did on it. After the tune and all, let's see if it go over 60, under 60. See how fast I can go from light to light. Strip ain't as long as I thought though, but let's see. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. 40. 50. That joint only went 55 this time. Going that fast on the e-bike is, I don't like it. I do not like it. I don't know how people be liking that ish. Flip that. Sheesh. Let's see if we can hear the chop on this pup. Put it in sport real quick. Let's see. Dang, look at that classic pup. Huh? What you say?
I don't want you to get yourself killed, so I'm saying that with that.
Oh, really?
Right, though, but I just said be careful.
Yep.
There's rules for the street. You can do go fast, you gotta know you're right though. Because you can run into a car. It don't make a difference how flesh you look.
Yeah.
You know why? Because this kid, you got
I feel you, won't. You too. That thing look clean. They just leave it sit out here too. Damn, this don't look good. Man, no turn signal? Unreal. Let's see if I got the chop on this pup though. Oh. Something like. Yes. Woo. Hold on. And it's windy as ever right now. Oh! I'm gonna keep it a bean. I didn't even try wheelie this on a turbo yet. I'm a little scared of the turbo. Look, that shit. I'll try to one time, right here. Got to. That thing smack. Jeez. Oh my, turbo. Oh, it ain't that bad, it's chilling. Woo, that wind. That thing hit though. All right, go fam, I'm gonna end the video off. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching, go fam. Let me know in the comments what other videos y'all want. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. We out.